So OneDrive is one of the most popular types of cloud storage options that you have out there. So I'll give you a quick breakdown on exactly how to use OneDrive. It's very cool. It's very basic. Starting off, to access it, you can go to onedrive.com or onedrive.live.com. It's totally up to you depending on how you want to kind of look at it. Now, the layout is on the left side, you have your folders and quick access tools. On the top, you have your search bar. But if we go into more detail, if we go and take a look at the top left, you can see we have this OneDrive option. If you click on OneDrive, it'll just take you back into your OneDrive page and an import page right there. Now you also have this apps panel. If you just click on it, it shows you all the other applications you can use. In this case, it's probably not going to be relevant. You have a create or upload button. If you tap on this button, it will allow you to quickly create a folder, upload files, create a folder upload, Word document, Excel, so many other things you can access here too. So you can click on the create or upload and you can have it kind of quickly bring in some more files right here. If you click on home, it'll bring you into your home file. If you click on my files, it'll show you your files that you have set up within OneDrive. If you click on photos, it'll show you all the photos that you have within OneDrive as well. So screenshots, different things like that, that will show up right here. Under shared, you can see all the files that you have currently shared with other people. Under recycle bin, any files that you've deleted or anything will show up right here. And under people, it'll just show you other people's accounts that may have sent you files. You can access those things and see those things from here right here. So that is that at a high level. Now, if we want to go ahead and upload a file, let's say we want to go and create a folder, right? What we can do, so we can click on home right over here. We want to click on create or upload a file, which is right here, and we want to click on folder. When we do this, we want to go and basically type in the name of the folder. So we can type in like folder, for example. So let's go and click on create. Then it's going to go ahead and create a folder under my files. So now it created this folder under folder called my files. Now I can click on here, and if you want to upload files, you can click on create or upload and click on the files upload portion or the folder upload portion, or you can also just drag and drop a file. In this case, I have this like web page file that I have right here. I can also just drag and drop a file right into here if I want to, and it will automatically start uploading those files right inside of OneDrive. So at this point, you can kind of do whatever you want to. You can upload whatever files you want. You can kind of do whatever you want to here. But that is basically how you go ahead and use OneDrive. You can click on a file if you want to share it out, to delete it, to move it. So you have a lot of these options here. You can always right click on it if you want to go ahead and download a file or delete it from there as well. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.